my second episode of Cheap or Chic. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Dan. In this series, I'm taking like cheap items and trying to create something a bit more luxurious. But this is where you come into the picture, and your job is to decide if what I made look cheap or chic. What? I'm really digging it. Cheap or chic. Anyway, the video itself is pretty long. I already edited it, so let's get started, shall we? So can you start? First of all, what I need to do before I bring Lexa, what I need to cut is about that length-ish. You probably can't see it. You take all your dowels, you see, press them against each other, and I'm taking the end of the string, as you can see, creating a regular loop, tie them all together. See, I'm not sure if one tie is gonna be enough, so I need another knot. Now it's time to bring Lexa, and I will see how much space she's gonna need eventually. She's very little, and we had her like 2 weeks now, and she got like twice the size. So just get Lexa. Lexa, say hi. So sorry. I woke her up because she was asleep, but I need to see how much room she will need. I'm so sorry, cutie. Oh, she's so cute. All she wanna do right now is to sleep, and she's a very energetic kitty. Okay, come here. I hope you can see something. Yeah, great. That seems about enough. Wait, you have to see it. So eventually that's the structure of the tent. Where's Lexa? Lexa? She's very playful. Lexa, come here. Yeah, I'm so sorry I woke you up. Come here for a second. Lexa. Come here. Yeah, come here. You see, that's her. That's the size of her, and she's feet right in. She wanna out. Just a second. Added a few loops, and after that added an X knot and repeat for a few times, allowing us to form the tent structure, and finish with regular knot at the end. Moving on to the fabric, lay down the dowels and measure up the length you will need to cover the tent. Mark the spot and cut straight line. Now cover the tent with the new piece you have and measure the width of the tent and cut to size. Fold your new piece to half and cut 1/4 of a circle. Here I added the 5th dowel because I wasn't pleased with the 4th shaped tent. Place the fabric above the dowels, secure with pegs, and I used 5-second glue to attach permanently the fabric to the dowels so it's nice and secure. Now to decorate the tent for Lexa, I took a piece of string and added pom-poms to the end. Now you can call Lexa and let her play with their new tent.
In this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, let you down. Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, let you down. Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, let you down.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. As always, write on the comment down below if what I made look cheap or chic. I'm really digging it. And I don't know, leave a comments about what do you think about this series, and if I should continue in this series, or try to get back to the old DIY project. Anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you hopefully next week. I don't want to jinx it, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was very special. I know there is so many ideas for tents on Pinterest, but you know, I feel like you can give your creativity your own way to express it. I will see you next week with another episode, so thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And again, I will see you next week. Bye bye, I promise. Bye bye.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for